Okay students, start with step 1-3. Number of cations, they are 8. Number of anions, they are 3. Multiplying 8 by 3, you will get 8 3s are 24. So the total formulas would be 24. Now writing the valences as +1, -3. Shift these valences as suffix of x and y. You will write 3, 1, and the formula 1 is not written, and the final formula would be x3y. Okay student, now we are starting step 1-3, and the general formula for step 1-3 is x3y. You have to write 3 suffix with these cations and 1, or don't mention it because 1 is not mentioned, with these anions. Write 1 with these anions. Okay, now start with hydrogen. A3N, hydrogen nitride. A3P, hydrogen phosphide. A3PO4, it came again, phosphoric acid. Lithium nitride, lithium phosphide, lithium phosphate. For sodium, sodium nitride, sodium phosphide, sodium phosphate. Potassium nitride, potassium phosphide, potassium phosphate. For silver, silver nitride, silver phosphide, silver phosphate. Cuprous nitride, cuprous phosphide, cuprous phosphate. Mercurous nitride, mercurous phosphide, mercurous phosphate. Okay, now x3y formula will tell us that you have to write thrice of NH4, thrice of NH4. NH4 thrice, not the 3. Ammonium nitride, NH4 thrice. P, ammonium phosphide, NH4 thrice PO4. This is ammonium phosphate. Okay student, the step 1-3 is completed, and in the next video we will start with the step 2-1.